Hi, I'm Doug Hoffman with Platinum Idaho Real Estate at Silver Creek Realty Group. Welcome to this gorgeous new listing in the beautiful Avimor community nestled in the foothills of North Boise, Idaho. Built just last year and tucked near the back of the community on an elevated corner view lot, just a 10-minute drive to Boise and Eagle, sits this turnkey single-level home. The modern farmhouse exterior paint scheme is what we all desire, and you'll be falling in love with the curb appeal of the brick paver driveway. As you enter the home, you'll be drawn into the spacious great room with oversized sliding glass doors out to the patio for optimal, immaculate views and perfect for attracting that cool breeze on summer evenings. The stone fireplace and shiplap ceiling accents add to the coziness of the design. Moving into the gourmet kitchen, you'll be pampered with quartz counters, tile backsplash, and soft close shaker-style cabinets. Heading into the primary bedroom with high-end window coverings and past the barn door leading into the primary bathroom, you'll be living in luxury with tile flooring and a frameless glass shower. This home will also satisfy storage and parking enthusiasts with a spacious 3-car garage with brand new epoxy flooring, giving your garage that showroom feel. Did I mention the views? Enjoy scenic panoramas from your covered patio of the surrounding foothills. Thanks for checking out this new listing with me, and as always, I'm here to help with any of your other buying and selling needs. Happy real estating!